is this?
That is the product of the pili. This is the pili pulp
Oo.
oil.
Ito ang raw.
Yes, that's the raw.
Wow, ito yun.
And then,
Pero nakakain ba to? Naiinom ba to or hindi?
nanay ko, iniinom yan.
Iniinom to. Ano ang advantage ng pili oil over olive oil?
Actually, we have I was able to get a grant doon sa biotech. They test it. Akala ko they would test it for the skin, hindi pala. They test it on siyempre sa daga, no?
Oo.
Digestion.
Yes.
And they found out antioxidant, antibacterial, maraming therapeutical benefits.
Oo.
So, I was so excited with that. I
Yeah.
can even...
Yes.
Oo.
Actually, now that I'm discovering the story, sa totoo lang, ang daming European countries and they are exporting olive oil.
Yes.
The Philippines
Ay.
should start exporting pili oil.
Exactly.
Diba? Because we've already found coconut oil.
Yep.
Very Filipino yon, well-known all over the world. But pili oil is uncharted.
Yes, exactly. That's what we've been trying to do. Actually, ang gusto naman talaga niya was the raw material.
Yeah.
I had to come up with a brand because
Oo.
I have to prove first what is the raw material for.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman nila alam
What
ano
can
yan
you
eh.
use it
So,
for?
yeah, so
Oo.
that's why.